Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript comparison with the less than or equal to operator. The less than or equal to operator compares the values of two numbers. If the number to the left is less than or equal to the number to the right, it returns true. If the number or on the left is greater than or the number on the right, it returns false. Like the equality operator, less than or equal to converts data type. So in this case also a string will be converted to the number data type, and in case the left hand value is less than or equal to right hand value, then it will return true, otherwise false. Here are few example. 4 is less than equal to 5, that is true. 7 is less than equal to 7, less than or equal to 7, that is also true. 5 is less than equal to 5, that is also true. 3 is less than equal to 2, which is false because 3 is greater than 2. And here 8 is less than equal to 4, which is also false because 8 is greater than 4. So let's see the task for this challenge. Add the less than or equal to operator to indicated line so that the return statements make sense. So here, well, less than or equal to 12, and here, well, less than equal to 24, and so this function should work according to requirement. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.